Hi traders, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. A little bit introduction about myself. I'm a full-time trader. I do portfolio management and I run a paid website subscription, which I do publish the high probability technical setup, and I do provide real-time notification and swing entry with text notification from entry and exit point. Today, I'd like to talk about technical breakout pattern. Two of my favorite category for the technical breakout. One is a stock that is trading at or near at record high, or technical textbook above 20 days and 50-day moving average. If you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm a very simple trader. I use a very simple technical technique, which is I just use the simple moving average, the 20-day, the 200, and the 50-day moving average, which is right here. In your brokerage account, you can simply put in the indicators right here, and Microsoft right here is one of the technical breakout pattern that is trading at near or at record high. As you can see right here, we're trading above the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day moving average, and this is a perfect technical breakout setup right here. And we're looking at the daily time frame and year to date and pulling in for the YTD, the 1 year trend. Again, everything is a process. One of the characteristics of the bullish setup is it prints higher low and higher high, which is this fits Microsoft. You can see right here. This is a perfect uptrend right here. See this high, see this low, and we're printing highs and pretty much still holding the ground at 20-day and 50-day moving average. So another technical breakout setup is the one that's coming off from sell-off or reversal, bottom reversal. So I want to show you, we have actually two of them. So dust, this is for the inverse of NAGT if you trade the gold, and we're looking at the daily again, and I did not change any of this. It's just the daily time frame. I just changed the ticker right here. And we're looking at the 1 year, and let's look at YTD. So definitely there is nothing bullish about this, right? Kept swooning from $25 and then hovered at 6, and then we printed. So one thing about like this is when you focus on 6 months term, right here it's a potential double bottom or potential bottom right here at $6, 5.8, and then we have the $6 low. We are going higher above 20 and 50-day moving average. As you can see here from the recovery of 5.80, it rallies to 8.20 and then pull back, and then now we're coming back up. But this is pretty bullish about 50-day moving average. Again, I would like to remind you that everything takes process. Everything takes process. It takes time. It takes time before the stock price really materialize, so you have to be patient. There's no straight up, there's no straight down, so there would be a moment of sideways, and like this 6 from 8.20 or 8.50, we pulled back at 6 from 5.80 to 8.50, we pulled back at 6.20, and now slowly recovering, and that is a process. So this is one of the setup that I was talking about, technical breakout coming off from bottom reversal. So with this kind of setup, we likely test the $8 again in the next 2 to 3 weeks, as long as we hold about 6.80. If I'm gonna long dust right here at 7.50 and targeting this area 8.50 to 9 or even 10, I would apply a 6.80 stop right here. So another one that I'm seeing for a technical breakout coming up from oversold is Tesla. Same technical tools. We're using the 20, the 200, the 50-day moving average. I just changed the ticker. What I find about the fascinating Tesla, I like trading Tesla, as you can notice if you've been following my channel, because I do option for Tesla. I like it because one is liquidity and volatility. That's what I look for my options trading. So this is year to date on Tesla. Of course, nothing bullish like that, as we keep trading lower from 350 and pull out the 1 year time frame right here from 370 to 190. It's a 50% haircut from highs right here, and then slowly recovering at 265. This is our resistance right here, 260. You can see right here, multi resistance, and then 255. Now let's narrow the time frame at 6 months. I always narrow it despite it's trading below 200-day moving average. Why? Because we can see right here it has been slowly recovering, and of 210 right here and 255, and then over here. So what I find special about Tesla so this is our price action right here for this week and last week and here. So for 3 months, for 3 weeks, let's narrow it. I like how Tesla is reacting, because there was one period of week it has performed 7%, then it has lost 2%. I'm just giving you an approximate here. And then for this price action for this day alone, let's put in the 10 days. This is the 10 days price action, and we're looking at the daily. What I like about Tesla is that this coming off from the 7% rally, 7% weak performance, it moved sideways right here, and then sell off, then recovered, then followed by a solid green candle with a good volume. And today we are printing a green candle. And I really like that about stock. I've been in the market for 8 years now, and I've seen so many tricks on the market. And what I'm seeing on Tesla, since I've always been trading it, I like how the behavior is, because it seems like this could potentially be the last drop, fake drop, before the big rally comes in. And then we're going to be looking at the 200-day moving average. We're going to be looking at the 200-day moving average on a successful breakout, or to even here at 290 area, because this is a powerful price action right here. The 7% move, the sideways, and today is coming back up and almost at high of the week. Despite of the drama here, the 7% drop, and I like it. So I like to long Tesla. I'd like to long Tesla, lean long on Tesla, and root for the 200-day moving average and target it for the recovery upwards. I would definitely put a stop under the 50-day moving average, which is at 233, or here 231. For swing trade, aim for the long target. For this, I'm not going to do the option, because I've seen option like for this week, it definitely has burned the premium. So I would rather do the commands right here and then apply patience. Tesla is a very, very volatile stock, and it's highly shorted. So when it triggers the pivot like 250, it would automatically go to 261, 266, to even 270 because of the short covering. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and follow me on Twitter.